In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use CapCut QR code for login. This method is a fast, secure way to sign into CapCut on your computer without typing a password, and it works great if you already use the CapCut app on your phone. Start by opening your web browser and going to CapCut.com. Make sure you're on the official site and that your internet connection is stable. We'll use the web version of the editor, so you don't need to install anything on your computer. On the homepage, click Try Online. If you aren't signed in yet, you'll be taken to the login screen. On the login page, choose Continue with CapCut Mobile. This option tells CapCut that you want to authenticate using your phone rather than entering credentials on the computer. As soon as you select it, a QR code will appear on your screen. Now it's time to scan. On your phone, open the CapCut app and make sure you're logged into the account you want to use on the web. Within the app, access the QR scanner and point your phone's camera at the code on your computer screen. If your phone asks for camera permission, allow it. Hold the phone steady and fill the frame with the QR code. If the code doesn't scan right away, increase your computer screen's brightness, avoid glare, and move the phone a little closer or farther until it locks on. Keep in mind that QR codes often expire for security. If the timer runs out, just refresh the page on your computer to generate a new one. After the scan, you'll typically see a prompt on your phone asking you to confirm the login request. Approve it to continue. Within a moment, your browser will refresh, and you'll be signed into your CapCut workspace on the web. That's it, you're in, and you can start editing or managing your projects right away. If you run into issues, here are a few quick tips. Make sure both your phone and computer are connected to the internet. Confirm that you're signed into the correct account in the CapCut app before scanning. Update the CapCut app to the latest version for the best compatibility, and only approve QR login requests you initiated yourself as an extra layer of security. To recap, go to CapCut.com, click Try Online, select Continue with CapCut Mobile, then scan the QR code with the CapCut app on your phone and confirm. It's quick, secure, and saves you from typing passwords. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating with CapCut on the web.